Okay, so I just cut the tape, and there is a large piece of padding in here. Ooh. I see a box. Let me pull it out. All right, so it looks like it's a Gibson, and it looks like the box is okay. Let me pull it the rest of the way out. All right, still haven't opened it, but this is my first ever Gibson. So let me cut the tape, see what we have. All right, so you have to cut this security tape, and then this comes open, and then this slides open like so. Let's see here. There's a lot of padding in here again. Padding. Well, let me pull it out completely. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, I must admit that that box was packed well. And this guitar comes with a gig bag, so it's actually a backpack. So let's see what's in the bag. This is my first view, and it's pretty hard to do this with one hand. Okay, I think it's ready. Ooh. Wow. Look at this. Oh, this baby's nice. Look at the paint and the wood grain. And look at the back. Sorry about the light reflection, but you can kind of see it here. It's beautiful. Okay, well, before I play it, I'm going to show you what came in the case. So there's this. With some checks that were done on it, and I'll open the bag and lay it out. All right, so you already saw this, the bag. So inside the bag was a strap and a truss rod adjustment tool, and a Allen wrench, the hockey puck for rhythm and treble, polishing cloth, a safety manual, and a tag here. So one thing I noticed was on the guitar, there's nothing here. So I believe that that's what that is. So we have to put that on there. All right. These are a few sound samples. This is the bridge pickup. Okay, this is the neck pickup. Here's both pickups. This is the bridge pickup, single pole. Here's the neck pickup, single pole. And both. But of course, we all like the bridge pickup the best. That's enough crapping around here. At least you hear what the guitar sounds like. Again, neck pickup. Here's the neck pickup. And a bridge pickup. Okay, I'm going to give you some sound samples. The amp's my Yamaha 30-watt amp. All right, so this is the bridge pickup. Cut. Terrible guitar playing. That's the bridge pickup. Here's the neck pickup. Try that again. Or neck pickup. Scratch that one.